Brothers and sisters, it's 11:25. This is AKA Cali Prep. And I want to give you the latest announcement that you guys just been alarmed on the emergency alarm. And what that's telling us, my brothers and sisters, that we have been alarmed of a possibility of a mega tsunami at the Las Palmas. New seismic activity. There has been new fountains, new lava flow. This is a heads up. This is something that we have to take in consideration. I had told you that they have been talking about the mega tsunami theory. So I want to say to you, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the 3 P's. Prepare, practice, and persevere.